Punctuation. The sign and marks used in writing to separate the sentences and their elements to clarify the meaning. Why do we need punctuation? We need punctuation for the proper structure of the sentences. Number 2, so the punctuation sentence should be read correctly. Full stop. A full stop marks the end of the sentences. For example, Lily is a teacher. So we use here full stop sign at the end of our sentence. Comma. A comma indicates the pause between parts of a sentence or separate items in a list. For example, she bought bananas, oranges, and cherries. So we separated these items by the help of comma. Question mark. A question mark indicates the end of a question. For example, where is my book? What is your name? Exclamation mark. An exclamation mark indicates strong emotions or feelings. For example, oh, I forgot my homework again. Wow, you look beautiful. Quotation mark. A quotation mark indicates direct speech or to mark the beginning and end of the title. For example, Adam said, I'm very tired. I'm very tired is a direct speech. Colon. Colons are used to introduce lists or explanation. For example, I need to buy the following stationeries, pen and remover. Semicolon. A semicolon used to join two independent clauses. For example, I have class. It starts at noon. So here, these two independent clauses are joining by the help of semicolon. Parentheses, commonly known as round brackets. Parentheses separated extra information from the rest of the sentence or add emphasis. For example, I'm going to visit my grandma, my dad's mom today. So, my dad's mom is an extra information. Square brackets. Square brackets used to indicate extra information. For example, he, the doctor, tells she's alright now. The doctor is an extra information, so we close into square brackets. Hyphen. A hyphen used to join words or to separate syllables in a word. For example, I have $25 in my bag. $25 are the two words which are joining together by the hyphen. And dash. An and dash indicate a period of time, range of numbers, or distance. For example, please read pages 20 to 25 for homework. 20 to 25 are the number. Ellipsis points. Ellipsis points used to indicate that words have been left out or suggest incomplete thoughts. For example, the old diary holds secrets, so we don't know which kind of secrets. Slash. A slash used to separate alternatives and indicates a range. For example, he/she, good/evil. These are alternatives to each other. 22/9/2007. So these are the range of numbers. So these numbers or alternatives are separated by the help of slash.